Hi, I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed. To create a mind map using MindMup, which is a free tool, you should have added it onto your Google Drive as it is a Google Drive add-on. So then you just go to drive.google.com, and if you're logged into Google, your Drive will open up. If not, it'll ask you to log into Google first. You'll find MindMup now that you've added it by clicking More and MindMup 2 for Google Drive. When it goes into the map, you get a single idea in the middle and it says press space or double click to edit. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to just call this one Mind Map. And as soon as you press enter, it will resize that idea, and it's now told us at the top that it's got unsaved changes and it's given it a name from that idea. So I'm going to click turn on autosave and just turn that on. That's just saying you can't autosave if you're sharing your map with someone else. Once it's auto-saved, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the colours, because the contrast on this default colour is awful. It's really hard to read. So you simply go into view and you go to customise theme. This sidebar opens up that lets you change the colours. So the canvas, these are the default colours for everything except the root node at first. So the canvas is the background, which we'll leave white. The text I'm going to click on and change to black because it's actually a dark grey. And the node background I'm going to change to white. That change every node background except the root node. So I'm now going to go straight in and click on the background for the root node, and you can put hex codes in or you can type. So I'm going to start to type and I'm going to pick up something really light. So I'm going to type light and I'm going to choose light goldenrod yellow for my root node. And then if you want, you can do the same for every single colour on your map. I'm going to go for another light one, so I'm just going to put colours on the first two levels. It's still not great to read if your eyesight is poor, because it's very small text. So if you scroll down, you'll find the text defaults. If you click on the fonts, there's not a massive choice. Sans probably is the best, but you've got a larger button, so I'm going to click that several times to get this big enough for me to read. Once you're happy with that, you can go back to the view menu and click customize theme to close down that sidebar. To add ideas, you click on the central idea, and to come out a level, you press tab. So I'm going to put level 1, tab. And then I'm going to press tab again, and I'm going to put level 2. If you want more than one branch at a level, which you probably will, if you're on the level, you just hit enter. So I'm just going to put same level. So you can quickly build up a map this way. You can also add a variety of attachments. So I'm going to call this one attachments. And I'm going to come out to the next level, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in what I'm going to attach. I'm going to attach a hyperlink, I'm going to attach a note, and I'm going to attach a file, and I'm going to attach something called a sticker. So if I now click on my hyperlink one and double click to go into the text edit again, all you need to do to add a hyperlink is go and copy it. So if you copy that hyperlink and paste it into the idea, it comes up looking awful, but when you hit enter, it turns it into a proper hyperlink with a little symbol, and if you click it, it will open that in a new window. A note, these appear as a sidebar, and the note button is this one here that looks like a notepad, and you can add notes for different nodes, and they'll all appear in one screen, but whichever one is selected will be highlighted in blue. And to close the sidebar, you can just hide that sidebar. A file, you have an attach file button, and there's lots of ways of attaching files. You can attach something from Google, you can attach videos, you can upload things. Whatever you attach will open in its default software. I'm just looking to see if there's anything that's easy for me to attach. Probably something in there. Oh, there's a picture from a Kindle app. There we go. So I'm going to attach that. And again, I've got a paper clip, and if I click it, it will show it in this preview. You can even attach to other mind maps, and a sticker. I've included that because that's kind of useful. They're like icons, so if you want to signify things on your map, you can attach a sticker. So I'm going to go for, let's see if there's a tick. No, there's no tick. There's lots of smileys. I've used movies and stuff before to signify where I wanted to put a film. Oh, there's a flag. I'm going to put a flag on. So the sticker can go on the node as well, like that. And as with the notes, you can close the sidebar by toggling stickers. There's lots of other options for you to explore. One last thing that you might find useful, if I come back to this one and press tab, is that you can change the node style of an individual node just by clicking it. So for this node, I'm going to make the background pink and the text white. And sometimes you might choose to do that just to signify something specific for a node. And that's the absolute basics of using MindMup. I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos on assistive technology. And if you want to find me on social media, search for Wiki-ed Essex.